In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Manus AI, a simple workflow for beginners. We'll move step by step so you can build confidence quickly and see real results. First, open Manus AI and sign into your account. Once you're in, take a moment to notice the main areas of the interface, where you enter prompts, how you run workflows, and where results appear. Keep your credentials secure and avoid sharing any sensitive information on screen or in prompts. Next, start with a simple task so you can learn the interface without feeling overwhelmed. Think of something small and clear, like summarizing a short paragraph, rewriting a sentence for clarity, or generating a brief list of ideas. Simple tasks help you understand how Manus AI responds and how the controls affect your output. As you get oriented, explore the beginner use cases shown in this video. I'll highlight a few straightforward scenarios so you can see how they're set up and what kind of inputs work well. Use cases are there to spark ideas, but you can adapt them to your own needs. The goal is to see examples of good prompts and clean output so you can model your own. Now, test one workflow at a time inside Manus AI. A workflow is just the sequence from your input to the generated result, and possibly any intermediate steps if you're chaining actions. Keep it focused, run a single prompt, observe what happens, and resist the urge to tweak too many variables at once. This makes it easier to trace what's working and what isn't. After each run, review the result Manus AI gives you for that task. Check for accuracy, tone, completeness, and formatting. Ask yourself whether the output matches your intention and whether it's ready to use as is or needs polishing. Look for specific gaps, missing details, the wrong style, or a format that doesn't fit your use case. If the result needs improvement, refine your prompt or instructions. Add helpful context, define the audience or tone, specify the desired length, and include any constraints or examples. Clear instructions like use short sentences or return a bulleted summary or follow this structure make a big difference. Iterate in small steps so you can see how each change impacts the output. Finally, repeat the process with more use cases as you get comfortable. Gradually increase complexity. Move from simple rewrites to multi-part tasks while keeping notes on prompts that worked well. With consistent practice, you'll develop a reliable approach to building and testing workflows in Manus AI. By the end of this process, you'll know exactly how to sign in, start small, explore examples, test, review, refine, and confidently scale up your work.